this is a good example of why, even though this upright assembly sort of looked okay, it's a good idea to pull things apart in the winter. What you can see here is grease, and this is the back of where the wheel bearing sits. So it's not chronic, but there's a bit of grease there that shouldn't be. And actually what it's telling me is the seal on the back of the wheel bearing is starting to fail, or the wheel bearings had a hard time. These do get absolutely battered on the track. So this is telling me that I need a new wheel bearing, and I probably wouldn't have known that had I not pulled this apart.